hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video we have to study about when and where did earlier cities come up in India. We have to cover a lot of content in this video. So first let's talk about this. When and where did the earlier cities come up, okay, in India. So we're specifically talking about India, not other countries and all. So around 4700 years ago, 4700 years ago, some of the earliest cities came up on the bank of river Indus and its tributary. So this is the place where first earlier cities, this is a place where the earlier cities came up. Indus Valley civilization has been followed there. Indus River is there, Indus River and its tributaries, and this is the place where Indus Valley civilization also started. It is a kind of a civilization which we'll be studying about in third chapter. So around 2500 years ago, the cities came upon the banks of river Ganga and its tributaries along the sea coast. The first empire of India which came up to south of the river Ganga and its tributary river Son was called Magadha. If we look at it in depth, it is called Bihar right now, Magad. Its rulers were powerful and set up a large kingdom. Smaller kingdoms came up in other parts of India. So 2500 years ago, along with the river Ganga, another city started which was known as Magad, and today it is known as Bihar right now. And the first city which was discovered was Harappa, and it was discovered in Indus Valley civilization, which was around 4700 years ago. Why is South Asia called a subcontinent? It's often question comes in exam. Why is South Asia called a subcontinent? So it is often called a subcontinent because it is smaller than a continent yet very large. If we look at a continent, so continents are quite larger in sizes, yeah, but it is quite smaller in size, but yet is very large. It is separated from the rest of Asia by the mountains and hills in the north and the seas on the other three sides. They form a natural frontiers of the subcontinent. The countries that are included are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and other neighboring countries of Afghanistan, Iran, China, and Myanmar. Okay? So the countries which are included in the subcontinent are mentioned: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and the neighboring countries of Afghanistan. The neighboring countries of Afghanistan, not the Afghanistan, the neighboring countries of Afghanistan, like Iran, China, and Myanmar. Now we have to mention the various reasons why people traveled in ancient times. Okay, if we look at, so there are traces found that people traveled from one place to the other. So why they traveled? What is the reason behind it? So men and women moved from one places to other in search of livelihood. Okay, livelihood means like your daily food, your daily basic needs. Okay, they also travel to escape from natural disasters or floods or droughts. Okay, if flood came and they're still there, they would vanish up with the water. So they move from place to place in search of in place to place to escape from natural disasters. Okay. Soldiers moved in quest to other lands. Okay, soldiers also traveled because they had to occupy others' land to care other land. Okay, conquer others' land. Merchant travels for their trading systems. Monks walked for their perch, their religion. Those who were adventurous, who wanted new discoveries, so they walked in that trees. Why was traveling difficult in ancient time but not easy? We'll study about it in the next video in depth. Okay, take care and bye bye.